So this is a very basic tutorial for FiJi or ImageJ2 or ImageJ1, whatever they call it these days. So in this tutorial, we are going to look at the way the method that we follow for setting the uh, for calibrating the application for measurements on this on on any particular image. So this is the image that I'm going to work with for this example. So I have a scale bar mentioned during my microscopy session, and what we need to do is pick this zoom in magnifying glass and click and zoom into whatever scale is comfortable with. And what we need to do is draw a line on this scale bar so that we can measure the length and set that length according to this known distance. For this example, I have a known distance of 500 microns. So let's get started. So this is the straight line holding on, starting from the center of this vertical bar, holding shift key, I'll get a straight line. I'll drag it all the way to the center of the another vertical bar and then just leave it. Further, I can go to set scale. The distance of this horizontal line in terms of pixels is already mentioned in this first window, first tab. The second tab for known distance, in this particular tab we need to enter 500 because we know that the distance of this particular length is 500 microns, and the unit of length we need to mention micron or mu. Hit the global button and then OK. That's it.